Hello everyone, I have 5 minutes, so I will be very quick. So, content, how to be nice to others and how to do this efficiently. The nice to be others part is very important because when you start testing with our CI, you really don't want to eat all the resources we need for testing. So, yeah, right, I should speak to microphone. Yeah, great. Thank you for telling me. Anyway, so, when you want to test efficiently. So I guess all of you ever clicked on the GitLab CI interface and run the testing manually, and it was pretty boring, right? So we've been thinking the same thing as we developed the CI. And since we sometimes needed to test new jobs or some specific changes, we developed simple script which run only what you want, and you don't have to click even once. So, but let's start with how to not abuse it. So, first, before you start testing, you want to test on your device connected in CI. You don't want to abuse other jobs which you don't utilize. So, one nice thing is always check what is assigned to March bot. And this gives you idea how much jobs are queued and how much is the CI utilized. So first thing, you can check it by URL and decide if you want to test or not yet. The QR code is linked to the GitLab URL where you see a list of jobs to be merged. Or you can use magical script which got merged like a week ago. And it has ability to show you how many jobs are queued. So, for example, if you want to do some stress testing, which we get to later, you can use the script and it will return 0 when there is 0 jobs in queue. Otherwise, it will return number of the jobs in the queue. And if you pass the wait parameter, it will wait until you get to the 0. So, that's a great combination with another script we have. And that's CI run and monitor. Who knows the script? Oh, a lot of people. I'm very happy. I'm happy to hear that and see that. Anyway, so the script is like CLI interface for GitLab CI for Mesa. And it automatically triggers dependencies, automatically trigger the jobs you specify. You specify the jobs with regex. It's Python regex, not bash regex. So you have to use the right syntax. And as you see here, you can specify your jobs. For example, this is Adreno 600 anything jobs. So if you need to test on for example, one category of devices, you can specify it. Or you can specify multiple devices with regex. So that's nice. And also, as you see, you can use the merge queue. So it will wait until the queue is empty and then you start testing. So you will not interfere with the merge pre-merge testing. So this is not all. Let me show you how it works. So it's pretty small. I hope you see it, and this will be example. Hopefully it will work this time, because I tested it. But yeah, there is, as you see, job waiting 0. So everything got merged. Meanwhile, there was one job when I was waiting to start with my talk. So I was thinking I will have to omit it for the example case. So this will show you how much dependencies you need to run, and it will enable all of them. So this is first part. Right now it created the job and everything. And at some point it will manually disable all the jobs which you don't want to run. So you will save CI resources. You will not waste anything. And this will take a few moments because, you know, it's like a huge CI. So as you can see, something already succeeded, which is nice. Some jobs which you otherwise have to click manually gets enabled automatically. And I think I have 1 minute left, so it may, yeah, everything is manually disabled, what you don't need, which is perfect because otherwise when we started working on CI, I was clicking that by hand and it's like not that much fun. You see a lot of clicks here. And here you see the jobs. You see the jobs, the A630 jobs, A618. Well, at least you see some jobs. right? It's like demo, so I just hoped it will show up. And right now it will wait and show you progress as you test. You can also stress test it, so you can, yeah, time is over. So you can also, if you show // help, you can also see what else it can do. So thank you for your attention.